Children, come, let's go for a planet safari. Won't that be fine? Yes, we will go into the space to see and explore the different planets which are there in the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system, and we are going to see the planets one by one. Let's get into the fun now. The first planet to the Sun is going to be Mercury. We have few facts about Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is also the smallest planet in the solar system. Not only is Mercury the smallest planet, it is also a shrinking planet in the solar system. There are big craters in the Mercury. It is also the fastest planet, and that is why the name has come from the Roman god Mercury. The next planet is Venus. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Earth. Venus is the hottest planet. Even though it's far away from Mercury, it is still the hottest planet in the solar system. Unlike the other planets, Venus rotates in the opposite direction, that is, in the clockwise direction on its axis. It is the brightest natural object in the night sky after the moon. Earth is the next planet where 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water and 1/4 with land. Earth is a place which has water and oxygen, so living beings like plants and animals can live on the Earth. Earth is the only place on the solar system which has living organs on it. Is it not fun for us to be on the Earth? Yes. Next we see is Mars. Mars is in between Earth and Jupiter. Mars is a red because its surface contains iron. A year on Mars is longer than a year on Earth. You'll need a space suit to live on Mars. Mars has 4 seasons like Earth. Mars is about half the size of Earth. You'll need to wrap up warm to visit Mars. Next we are going to see Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter cannot become a star. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. The clouds on Jupiter are very thick. There is a great red spot on the Jupiter which is there for a longer time. Jupiter has rings around it. Jupiter has 62 moons spinning around it. The next planet we are going to see is the Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet in our solar system. You cannot stand on Saturn. Saturn has rings. Saturn rings aren't solid. It's all gas. It's very windy on Saturn. You can see Saturn through a telescope. Saturn has more moons than any other planet in the solar system. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It was the first planet to be discovered through a telescope. You could find an ice giant, and that is Uranus. Uranus has 13 rings around it. Finally, we are going to see Neptune. Neptune is the final planet in the solar system. Neptune is more than 30 times as far from the Sun as Earth. A year on Neptune is equivalent to 164 years, Earth years. Neptune is an ice giant. Neptune has at least 5 rings. So, with that, we saw all the 8 planets. I'm going to now repeat the names of the planet: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.